It's the world's fastest growing religion, Islam.
Islam is the fastest growing religion in all of Canada.
In the last year, around 5,200 people in Britain converted to Islam. As many as 100,000 have converted in the last decade.
A quarter of the estimated 6 million Muslims in the United States are converts.
But Islam has actually been attracting more and more Americans every day.
In a world where headlines often blur into background noise, one topic is sparking unexpected conversations and raising eyebrows: the increasing number of American women embracing Islam, drawn by a deep connection to Palestine. It's a trend that defies stereotypes and challenges assumptions. But what exactly is driving this surprising shift? Is it a quest for spiritual meaning, a search for solidarity, or something entirely different? Join us as we unravel the layers of this intriguing phenomena, delving into personal stories, societal factors, and global implications behind the headlines. Brace yourself for a journey that promises to surprise and enlighten. To grasp why American women are drawn to Islam through the lens of Palestine, we must peek into history's pages. Across the years, America's relationship with Islam and Palestine has been intricate. Back in time, America's founding fathers had encounters with Islam, with some expressing admiration for its principles of justice and tolerance. Fast forward to the 20th century, America became entangled in global geopolitics, including the Middle East, where Palestine stands as a focal point. The US played a role in the creation of Israel in 1948, leading to the displacement of Palestinians, fueling tensions that persist today. Such historical ties form the backdrop against which present perceptions and actions unfold, shaping the narrative of American women embracing Islam, often driven by their connection to Palestine. Now let's delve into the personal stories, the heartbeats of this phenomena. For many American women, their journey to Islam begins with an awakening sparked by Palestine. Sarah, a college student from Ohio, stumbled upon images of Palestinian resilience amidst adversity. She felt a stirring within, a yearning for a faith that echoed the courage and steadfastness she witnessed. As she delved deeper into Islam, she found solace in its teachings of compassion, justice, and submission to the divine. Similarly, Maria, a single mother from California, found herself captivated by the stories of Palestinian mothers bravely raising their children amidst conflict. Struck by their unwavering faith and strength, she began exploring Islam, seeking the same sense of purpose and resilience in her own life. The emotional and psychological impact of this connection cannot be overstated. For these women, embracing Islam becomes more than religious conversion. It becomes a journey of self-discovery, healing, and empowerment. Through the lens of Palestine, they find a sense of belonging, a community that understands their struggles, a faith that offers hope amidst despair. As they immerse themselves in Islamic teachings, they find parallels between their own experiences and the stories of prophets and martyrs from Islamic history. They draw inspiration from the perseverance of figures like Maryam, the mother of Jesus, also known as Mother Mary in Catholic and Christian faiths, who symbolizes strength and devotion in the face of adversity. Moreover, the spiritual connections speak out against injustices faced by Palestinians, advocating for peace and equality in the region. Their newfound faith becomes a driving force for positive change, not only in their own lives, but also in the world around them. The pull of Palestine on American women's journey to Islam is multifaceted. It is rooted in historical ties, shaped by present realities, and fueled by a deep spiritual resonance. Through the lens of Palestine, these women find purpose, strength, and community in Islam, embarking on a transformative journey that transcends boundaries and inspires change. In unraveling the narrative of American women converting to Islam due to their connection to Palestine, it's essential to confront the stereotypes and misconceptions that often cloud our understanding of both Islam and American women. Islam, often portrayed in mainstream media through a narrow lens, is frequently associated with extremism, oppression, and terrorism. Similarly, American women are often perceived as homogeneous, with their choices and beliefs dictated by societal norms and expectations. However, the reality is far more nuanced. The women who choose to embrace Islam defy these stereotypes, challenging preconceived notions and broadening perspectives. Their decision to convert is a deeply personal one, driven by factors such as spirituality, social justice, and a quest for meaning and belonging. By embracing Islam, these women assert agency over their identities, reclaiming autonomy and challenging societal norms that seek to confine them within narrow confines. Within the context of Palestine, the intersection of feminism, activism, and religion takes on a profound significance. The ongoing conflict in Palestine is not merely a political or territorial dispute, it is a struggle for human rights, dignity, and justice. American women who revert to Islam often find themselves at the intersection of these various identities and movements, drawn to the cause of Palestine by their shared values of justice, equality, and solidarity. Feminism, with its emphasis on gender equality and empowerment, resonates deeply with the struggles faced by Palestinian women living under occupation. These women navigate multiple layers of oppression, from patriarchal structures within their own society to the violence and discrimination perpetuated by the Israeli occupation. American women who embrace Islam find common cause with their Palestinian sisters, joining hands in the fight for gender justice and liberation. At the same time, activism becomes a central tenet of their newfound faith. Islam, with its emphasis on social justice and compassion, inspires these women to speak out against oppression and injustice, whether it be Palestine or elsewhere in the world. They became vocal advocates for Palestinian rights, using their platforms to raise awareness, challenge stereotypes, and mobilize support for the Palestinian cause. Identity and solidarity play a crucial role in driving this trend. For many American women, converting to Islam is not just a religious choice, it is a political and social statement. By aligning themselves with Islam and Palestine, they assert their solidarity with marginalized communities and their commitment to justice and liberation for all. Their identity as Muslim women became intertwined with their identity as activists, forging a powerful intersectional movement that challenges systems of oppression and discrimination. The intersection of feminism, activism, and religion within the context of Palestine serves as a catalyst for American women's conversion to Islam. By challenging assumptions and embracing multifaceted identity, these women defy expectations and broaden perspectives, forging a path towards greater understanding, solidarity, and social change. The phenomenon of American women converting to Islam due to their connection to Palestine carries significant implications that extend far beyond national boundaries. We are reminded of the power of individual narratives to shape broader narratives and the importance of seeking understanding in a world marked by diversity and complexity. Stay tuned for the next video. May Allah save us from evil and keep us united. Ameen.